What's up guys? So last time I left off with doing the Resonator delete on the car and I didn't like it, and I wanted to show you guys what I did after that because it wasn't loud enough and I wasn't happy with the result. So what I did next was pretty much called up a shop, asked them if they could do an exhaust for me. It's a shop that the shop I work for uses when you like exhaust stuff done. So I trusted them more than I did with my Audi A5, which y'all saw was kind of like a hack job. But this one should be a lot better. Well, it is a lot better because it's already done on the car, so I can show you what it looks like and what it sounds like. But pretty much what it is, I still have my downpipe on it that I'm still debating on getting rid of. But pretty much what it is, I had the ECS tuning Resonator on it, but they went ahead and removed that, and then from there removed the exhaust, changed out the tips as well. These aren't the stock tips. The stock tips are a little bit smaller, but still kept the quads on them, and I'll show you guys underneath what it looks like. So this is underneath the car. That's where the quad tips are. But as you can see, it's a Y. I do have a resonator in there right now. It's more of a high flow resonator, and then it goes into a Y and into my exhaust right there. But yeah, pretty much a Y, and then pipes bent and to dual tips on each side. But let me go ahead and show you guys my high flow resonator. So I don't know how much you can really tell, but the high flow resonator is right there. I believe it's a MagnaFlow high flow resonator. And yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. I completely forgot it was a resonator still on it. I thought we had just gone straight to the back. So there is a resonator on it. I can remove it and put something else there, which I had completely forgot about. So that's pretty cool. So it can be louder, and I might try that out one day just to see how loud it is. But for now, there is a resonator still on here. It's not the stock one, but there is no mufflers on it anymore, as you can tell. But yeah, there is a high flow resonator on there. But yeah guys, pretty much what it does is it changes up the sound completely, because with just the resonator delete, it wasn't loud at all. It was like a little bit loud. I mean, I guess if you're just trying to have like a little bit of sporty noise, it was there, but not enough for me. So the muffler delete with the high flow resonator, way better. But let me show you guys what it sounds like, or you guys can hear what it sounds like. So let me go and get that next. But yeah guys, that's what it sounds like. So it's a high flow resonator and an exhaust delete on it. I think it sounds pretty good. It can be louder without that resonator in there. Don't want to try it yet, just because the resonator does help with some of the tone. But maybe I'll go ahead and remove it just for a video, so you guys can really see what it sounds like without resonator and no exhaust. But I think it sounds pretty good. But yeah, straight to the point. I want to show you guys what it sounded like, because I haven't seen a lot of videos where remove their resonators then their exhaust. So yeah. And sorry guys if I sound kind of out of breath and tired. I did get COVID, so that's why I'm just at home right now, and I was able to film this video. So like being by myself. So this is what I'm up to now, just working on the car and doing stuff like this. So yep. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys around the car real quick, because I haven't been able to do it in a while, because you know, I just been really busy. But I want to show the exhaust first, and then for those of you who stayed and are regulars to the channel, probably want to get an update on the car. So what we have here is we blacked out the wheels, and the calipers are red now. I did keep the S3 on there. I do need new rotors. They're all pretty much gone now. I do want to get drilled and slotted on it, and the rears as well are red now. What else do we got done? I don't know. I think we just did that, and the side skirts. I don't know if I did a video on the side skirts. I think I did. I don't know. We'll have to take a look at that. Other than that, right now what I'm gonna work on is, I have a boost leak somewhere. I have maybe an idea where it might be coming from, but I just gotta go ahead and get on it. It's a small whistle whenever I'm driving, and it gets really annoying because I feel like it is a boost leak. It sounds like a boost leak. Power feels the same, but you know, with the boost leak, it's very minimal, but it could just be taking a little bit of horsepower and still grinds my gears. I do have a question for y'all, Audi owners, or the S3 or A3 owners. I'm trying to take off the steering wheel so I can go ahead and do the wrap like I did on my A5. I already have the, like, you know, the wrap on it for it, excuse me, but I can't take off the steering wheel. It's like really difficult. Like, I know you turn the wheel, go from the back, push the, like, you know, the buttons on there, and it'll come off like how I did on my A5. For some reason, this steering wheel is hard as hell to take off, so I haven't been able to do it. So if anybody has some like advice or any specific videos that can lead me on how to take it off, because I can't, not on this specific model. I've done it on my A5, but on this one I can't. It's too hard for me, and I don't know. If anybody has some advice, please comment down below, let me know. But other than that, guys, this is what it looks like. I do have an integrated engineering stage 1 tune on it already. There's a video coming out for that soon. Next things I have planned for is intercooler piping, intercooler, DSG, well, transmission tune, and then going flex fuel kit so I can run E85 full from integrated engineering on stage 1. I don't want to go stage 2 because of the downpipe yet. I just don't want to do that. I'd rather go the full E85 and make the same horsepower on stage 1, high torque. So yeah, that's what I have planned next for this car, if anybody's wondering. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope y'all like how the exhaust sounds. If you guys have any questions about it or anything like that, feel free to comment down below. And for all the new people who are just visiting and stuff like that, you like the channel, I do have a lot more content coming up on this vehicle. Please like and subscribe, it helps me out a bunch, and leave comments down below because it lets me know how I'm doing, or if you have any questions or videos you guys like to see, please comment down below. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.